Daily Dems doing the work, making noise, and fighting back, day 49. Nikki Budzinski wrote an op-ed for Fox News, all about the bird flu and how it's getting worse because of DT. She's the third Democratic elected who's done this, and I hope to see many, many more. Gabe Amo posted an update about his work getting answers about Dr. Allaway and her illegal deportation. I hadn't actually heard this story until I saw his post. Sydney Kamlager-Dove went on ABC News today and talked about the unity between Dems in the House and the disunity between Dems in the Senate. I don't know why she's not on everyone's list of best communicators in our caucus. Robert Garcia was on Alex Witt yesterday and confirmed that he does have town halls scheduled in red districts near his in about 2 weeks. And he also said he's scheduling them outside of California as well. Chuy Garcia posted an infographic to help student loan borrowers impacted by DT's newest order. I wasn't going to post this until I saw one of the comments. It said, "Thank you for remembering us." And I realized that no, since DT was inaugurated, I hadn't heard a lot of representatives talking to student loan borrowers. On March 10th, Ayanna Pressley was interviewed by WGBH Boston. And I didn't know about it until she made this Blue Sky post today. It's all about how she's fighting back and how we need to be. And finally, Chris Murphy was on Meet the Press. It really showcases how he tailors his message to different audiences. When he's talking to us on Instagram Live, he's a lot more transparent, but the Meet the Press audience is different. And they don't want to hear about the disarray of Senate Democrats, so he changed the messaging. Definitely worth a watch. If you watch the whole video, leave a house emoji in the comments because they're back in their districts. And let me know if one day this week you want a post that is just about the town halls, because I definitely have enough to do that. Our voices are our superpower, but only when we use them.